Hello everyone, I am Kennedy Lawrence, and this is my presentation for the developed answers for the questions that I had this week on the discussion board. So going right into it, the first question that I had asked on the discussion board was, how do we help those we teach discover how they learn? And this is just done from communicating with other teachers about these students, seeing how they do with the different types of learning, the results from it. Through the gift of discernment was a really big one that I got on the discussion board for how to help students best learn how that they learn. And then getting to know your students. It's one of those things where it's impossible to really know how to help someone if you don't know very much about them. The next question that I had was, are we able to learn how to learn in different ways? And if so, how are we able to? I think this was probably the most difficult question I asked this week. For the answers that I got, they were helpful, but I still feel like I need to expand further my understanding of this question. But some of the answers that I got and some of the things that I have found as I studied and looked more into this question was, one of them was reversing the way of knowing the different ways of teaching and applying that to learning it, which makes sense to me, but it also still kind of is a bit confusing to me. A lot of it, I think, is through the help of the Holy Ghost in learning these different ways to learn, because if we really truly desire it, that knowledge will also be added to us, that we'll be able to gain that knowledge we desire. And then I think practice comes for even the ways that we do already learn in. We have to practice it to really get it down and manage it and be able to do well with it. The last question that I asked that I really want to focus on in this presentation is, how can we manage to help all students we teach with all the different ways they may learn? How do we balance it? One of the things was quoting Elder Bednar in Knowledge Dispels Doubt, having like the knowledge of the subject that we're teaching, and having confidence in being able to teach it helps us to trust our abilities to teach it in the different ways. But also, because we know so well, we're able to expand the ways that we teach it and apply those same principles in the different ways. And then balance between the one-on-one time and between class time, because everyone's different, and that helps us to know how to help students best. And then using all three styles of the learning, which this one was a really helpful understanding, helping me understand the different things that helped the different kinds of learners, as well as this really helpful website that I was given by a classmate. And that has helped me gain a better understanding of these questions and how to be a better teacher and a better example of Christ. Thank you.